Hello, good morning to all of you. Hope you all are guys doing well. Welcome back again to this channel about job. In this video, I will share with you job openings from Canada. So guys, if you have a plan to move Canada with your job, you can watch this video and you can apply for this job and you can do entire process by yourself and you can move Canada with this job. So let's start. The job is belongs to maintenance mechanic required in Canada. So as you can see here, this is related to mechanical professionals. So let's focus on entire information overview language, English language. Of course, if you are moving with a job to abroad, you should have the proper skills and communications in English. And education requirement, secondary high school graduation certificates or equivalent experience. Minimum 1 year to 2 years of experience requirements for the job. Responsibilities: assembly mechanical equipment, detect the troubleshoot irregularities and malfunctions, read blueprints, drawing and specifications to determine work requirements, construct foundations for machinery, repair or replace defective machinery parts, fabricate parts required during overhaul, maintenance, or setup, estimate costs of and materials, perform routine maintenance work on machinery, operate sorry for this. So operate mechanical tools to fabric parts, installing machinery and equipments, operate testing and shift lifting equipments, read and interpret blueprints, maps, drawings, and specifications. So, guys, I hope you understand what is the basic requirements to apply for this job. So, next, move to what will be the benefits you can get after this job. Health benefits you can get from the company: dental plan, disability benefits, healthcare plan, vision care benefits regarding to all the healthcare benefits. Financial benefits: group insurance benefits, long-term benefits, maternity and parental benefits. Here is what you must include in your application: cover letter, reference, attesting experience. So this is very important point. You have to prepare your CV with cover letter and your experience certificate, which is attesting, and you have to forward it in the given official email ID. I will share you to the official email ID through which you can share your CV and cover letter. So before that, the company want to know some question answers from you. This job posting includes screening questions. Please answer the following questions when applying. Are you available for shift or on call work? Are you available for the advertised start date? Are you currently legally able to work in Canada? Are you willing to relocate for this position? Do you currently reside in proximity to the advertising location? Do you have previous experience in this field employment? Do you have previous experience in this field of employment? Do you have the above indicated required certifications? That is the highest level of study you have completed. So this is the apply process for the official email ID. So guys, the thing is what you have to do. First of all, you need to know this is the urgent vacancies from Canada for mechanic job. So before you apply, you should have the proper skills as per mentioned right here. If you have the proper skills, then you can apply. Before you apply, you have to mention the answers for these questions in your application form. Means in a with CV and cover letter, you have to make a page for these questions and you have to answer and you have to attach and you have to drop in the official given official email ID. So I hope you understand all the things what I'm sharing with you right now. Again, I would like to tell you this is urgent job vacancies. So don't be waste your time to apply for this job. Collect this official email ID and prepare your CV, your cover letter, and a file for this and questions of answers. And after that, you have to drop your documents to the given official email ID so that once you send your documents, company will start for the shortlisting process. Once your CV will be shortlisted, you can get a notification to attend the interview. That's why you need to prepare your CV, be professional, make a proper cover letter, make a proper file for the questions belongs to this, for the answers belong to these questions. Then you have to send it all documents to the given official email ID. So I hope I am sending you through all the entire details regarding this job openings. If you have any doubt, if you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment box. I will try to give the answer. And my strongly suggestion to you, please share this information if you have any friends and relatives having mechanical professionals, then they can apply for this job to get a abroad job. Again, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. Best of luck. Goodbye.